Hello all, this side Karthik. Welcome to my channel Tech Solution. Today I do have planned to show you how to detect any USB device into your CentOS 7. Okay. Now I do have, this is my SanDisk. Hope you are able to see everyone. This is my SanDisk USB pendrive, and this is 3.0 versions of USB pendrive. Okay, so before start lab session, let me clear you one more thing. When we are going to detect any 3.0 of versions of USB pendrive, so for that it will detect only on that system, I mean only on that OS which OS kernel version should more than 3.2. Okay, if it is 2.0, if any one pen drive is 2.0, then you can go ahead below kernel versions of 3.0. It means if your USB device is, or if your USB pen drive versions is 2.0, then the same you can detect in Linux 6. You cannot detect the same in CentOS 7 or Red Hat 7. Hope you all are understanding. So however it is, as my pen drive versions is 3.0, this pen drive can detect in CentOS 7 because CentOS 7 kernel versions is 3.10, right? So let me go ahead to show you the steps how to detect USB pen drive into CentOS 7. Let's open the machine. Here my USB controller already been there, right? So what I'll do here, I want to, let me remove it first so that it will help you to understand. Let me remove it. So this is the way. Just click on edit virtual machine setting and then click on USB controller present and then click on remove button, then click on OK button. So now my USB controller has been removed, right? Now if it's there, then it's fine. Suppose if USB controller it's not there, so how you will add it? First you need to go for edit virtual machine setting, okay, and then you have to click on add button, then you have to select USB controller and then you have to click on next button. Here you have to select your USB version. So as I mentioned, my USB pen drive version is 3.0, so let me select 3.0, and then here they have below this three checkbox are there. So we need to understand this. So first checkbox is saying automatically connect a new USB device to this virtual machine when it has focus. Yeah, that's true. It means when you are going to connect any USB device, take an example like USB pen drive. Now I am going to detect it, right? So if I will connect USB pen drive and then it will detect. Here what is saying, show all USB input device. Okay, suppose at a time you will connect two USB device, one USB hard drive and another one is the USB pen drive. Okay, so if you will select here show all USB input device, so whatever USB device you will connect with your laptop or your system, all the device it will show you, right? And then click on finish button. Here you have to select only this two checkbox and then click on OK button. Then you have to power on this virtual machine. So just click on the power on this virtual machine and let's wait for some time to boot up the system. fsns. Don't get panic. Let's off the system. Yeah. Now let me log in it by root. Once system logged in successfully, we will connect, we'll insert our USB pen drive, which I already shown you, and then we'll see whether it's detecting or not. Obviously, it will detect. So my system is come off and now it's up and running. Here it's not showing any pen drive, right? Let me insert it. Now it's inserted and it's showing here, right? This is my pen drive, which is completely empty. Okay. So this is what all about to pen drive detect into your CentOS 7. Okay. So end of the videos, I'd like to request to everyone whoever not subscribe still, please subscribe my channel. So for that as well, also I'd like to mention one more thing. Please share, like and comment whenever you are facing any issues. So for that, once I look your comment, I'll reply it. And if you'll subscribe my channel and I click on the bell icon, so for that when I will upload any new videos, you will get pop-up. And moreover, if you subscribe my channel, I can bring in front of you much more tech solution related Solaris 10, Solaris 11, Linux 5, 6, 7, ZFS, VXVM, and more about VCS clustering, clustering part as well as VMware things. Getting me? So please subscribe my channel. Thanks all.